Is it a laptop shop? Can you help me to purchase a laptop? Can I purchase a laptop on loan here? Do you sell laptops here? What brands of laptops do you have? Which is the latest model available? Can you suggest a laptop for students? Is this laptop good for office work? What is the price of this model? Does it come with a warranty? How long is the warranty period? Is there any discount on this laptop? Can I get a laptop under 40,000 rupees? How much RAM does this laptop have? Is it a touch-screen model? Does it have a graphic card? Can I upgrade the RAM or storage later? Is MS Office included with the laptop? Does this laptop come with Windows? Can I get a bag and mouse with it? Do you accept EMI or card payments? Can I return or exchange it if needed? Can you give me the bill and warranty card?